Okay, cool. All right, so let's take some notes. Most of you all have been in my class at some point throughout the last 3 years, so you probably have a general idea of how we do notes, but this is what we do when we do notes. Let me back that out a little bit. All right, so in your top right corner, put your first and last name, please. Don't put my name. I'm putting my name because it's my name, and you should put your first and last name here. Today's date is August 24th, and you all are block 2. And also, I am not looking for notes that are typed. If you type your notes, I'm not going to accept them. I'm looking for handwritten notes. Why, you may ask? Because when you write things out, you tend to put them to memory better than if you just type them out. All right, so over here, I need you to label the top left, ELA, vocabulary, and then put text structure in quotations. Notes. So vocabulary, text structure, notes. Your learning target today is, I can explain why informational text needs structure. So again, your learning target, I can explain why informational text needs structure. So I'm going to write a question here. I don't want you to answer it yet. We will use it later on, but go on and write the question, please. And it is, why does the speaker compare buildings to informational text? And I'm about 95% sure that the speaker, like the guy in the song, is Common, but I haven't checked yet, but I'm like pretty sure that that's who it is. So why does the speaker compare buildings to informational text? The next question, why would an informational text that isn't structurally sound fall over? And I'm just going to short that with info text instead of informational text. So why would an informational text that isn't structurally sound fall over? And I put fall over in quotes because that's directly quoted from the video. All right, so next, I want you to write in the middle, text, structure, chart. And look, if I'm moving too fast, no worries. I'm making a video of this, so I'll post the video as a tutorial in the end, so you can go back if you need to. So text structure chart. You need to know that text structure is the pattern of how a text is written. And you also need to know that there are 5 types of text structure. Sorry, my hand was in the way. All right, I'm going to use a different color for each of the types of text structure. If you are so inclined and would like to do the same thing, that's cool with me. If not, sorry, I didn't mean for that to shake. If not, if you do it in all one color, that's fine too. All right, so we're going to start with the first one, which is description. And a description is describing a topic and the topic's characteristics. It uses phrases such as. And the details given in a descriptive text structure should leave the reader with an image of what is happening. So details should leave reader with image of what is happening. So that is description. And then the next one, which is sequence. And y'all, my Sharpies are dying. I've not bought Sharpies in a few months, so if you can't see some of the colors well, I apologize. I need to go get some more. All right, so sequence, there are 2 types of sequences. Well, there's probably more, but the 2 that we're worried about are chronological and reversed chronological. So chronological is from the beginning of an event to the end, whereas reversed chronological is the opposite, end to beginning. Then you have cause and effect. And cause and effect is what happened, why it happened. And cause and effect uses words such as because, since, if, then, or due to. So because, since, if, then, and due to. Your 4th type of text structure is problem solution. Oh, hold on, y'all, just a second. Hey, Miss Teal, may I give you this, please? Thank you. Let me put my mask on. I'll be right back, y'all. Keep doing what you're doing. Okay, I'm back. So problem solution's pretty straightforward. It introduces a problem, and then provide solution to said problem. So it explains how to solve problem. And last is compare and contrast.
Miss Lovington,
What?
I can't see the paper. Like, I pressed on my screen on accident and then
Okay.
it went away.
All right. If you can get it back, that's fine. If you can't, don't worry about it because I'm going to post what we're doing right now. I'm going to post it as a tutorial anyway, so you can just circle back and get it if you need to. You can hear me as I'm reading it off though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you need to if like you want to write them down as I'm saying it, that's fine. Or if you want to wait, that's fine too. And we only have compare and contrast left, and then like one little thing.
Okay.
So compare and contrast. And that is just comparing and contrasting how things are the same and different. Okay, so these notes will be handy when you do the text structure worksheet assignment that I'm going to show you here in just a little bit. So draw a little star and write, use these notes when completing the identifying text structures worksheet.